everybody, this is Psychedelic Narwhal here, and today I'll be giving you guys a noise thingy about from the grinding noises of two Western Digital hard drives, both BD and JS. Please keep in mind that this is in no way a scientific demonstration. I am merely just aiming my camera at my screen and my mic at my computer, aka my phone, aimed kind of this way, and just kind of letting the audio naturally pick up into the phone, and have you all listen as to what kind of noise these things are making. Also, be sure to put down in the comments as to if this is normal or not, and if you also have any Western Digital drives that also make this noise, because it would be very helpful if you would. Keep in mind there are two, and two of them make distinctly separate noises, though they both sound similar. Anyways, enjoy. Alright everybody, thank you all for watching. Once again, this is not scientific, and also I do apologize for the sounds of all the cars outside. I do live right next to a major intersection, but never mind that. You may have noticed that when I started Steam, you started hearing a different noise. That's because it was on the other hard drive. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me on you should follow me on my Instagram at psychedelic_eyeball_. And also follow me on my Snapchat at iSharp94. And you can also find me on Reddit at u/psychedeliceyeball. And that will be it for today. Before we go, I will show you the hard drives on the inside of the case. So now that the side is off, I don't know why the camera's so blurry, but if you look inside, there's both of them. There's drive BD on the bottom, drive JS on the top. Now drive BD down here, is the drive with the low-pitched one, which is the one that loads the operating system, which is the one that you heard during the majority of the video. And you may notice the SATA cable looks a little weird, but that's because I took it out of a Dell server, a Dell PowerEdge SC1425, which is sitting over there. Yeah, and then the Steam stuff was on this one, along with a copy of Windows XP. And when I'm done making this video, I'm going to transfer it through this machine and upload it onto YouTube through this machine. I guess I'll give you a good look of inside of the case. There is no other thing that makes noise other than the disk drive, which only made noise at the beginning of the video. And then, of course, the two fans and the power supply. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for now. Stay healthy from the coronavirus. Seriously, I've been quarantining here for a while. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Have a nice day. See ya.